Yeah. Gonna lay some more, Mama? Come on, lay some more eggs. I'm not gonna touch you. Anyways, they're fighting for territory to keep everybody away from the eggs. I will pause this here. And thought she was laying some more. Oh, a little bit, a little bit. There she goes. There she goes. Fluttering and hovering very low to the rock as she lays the eggs. There she goes again. She's laying. I wish I could get a better close-up. Okay, Papa's going to do his job now. Good boy. Come on, Mama, do some more. Show YouTube fans how it's done. There she goes. That's a cichlid laying eggs. I'm gonna have to edit this. It's gonna be way too long.